Breaking news, the stock market continues to be rigged, and members here at Rigged AI continue to make money. Shout out to Tell You the Truth. $4,800 on the day, buying SPY puts. Have a day. You owe me a beer. Also, shout out to this new member, Small Flex. But it's important, when you're new to rigged, start small. Always lose small, sometimes win big. And like we like to say around here, one trade. All it takes, pay for a membership, and boom, you got it today. Nice job. Now today, a little bit more of a scam than normal. Why? CPI. Inflation came in hot, above estimates. And what happened? Absolutely nothing. Extremely volatile price action both ways. And what you'll see here, we opened super low. $5.82 down. And where did they open this thing? Right here. 513.41. We went up, we went down. It was a little bit of a nightmare, even with high volume. And this is something Wall Street loves to do. They love to kill people. And they killed bulls, they killed bears, and we basically went nowhere the entire session, but the candles were crazy. The best part is, right here, you're looking at these bulls, 100%, 10 minutes. We get to the top, boom, 100%, 10 minutes. Back to back. And sometimes this happens. Right? Sometimes this happens. That's why here at Rigged, with tradability, we talk about price action. Trend or perfect tags. This is based on the volume for the day. And what was today? I mean, look at these tags, right? I mean, that's a perfect tag. This is the bottom. It goes up. Okay, that's a perfect tag. It goes back down. Okay, it goes back up. Oh, that's a perfect tag. Oh, it goes down. Oh, that's a perfect tag. And if you're trading like that, you made money the entire day, right? Because look at that, perfect tag, perfect tag, perfect tag, perfect tag. We're going to get into it. We're going to review it all. You know, that's how it goes here at Rigged. Shout out to the new trials this week. There are too many names to mention them all. But 0x Meets, thanks for returning. And CMY, Kip, whatever. Thanks for joining the yearly plan. Let's go. All right, we're going to go back to taking the screenshot, kind of drawing it all out. I think you guys enjoyed that a little bit more. Let's go. First, you can join our Discord for free and get notifications when alerts hit 100%. You can also get a free account at Rigged AI and see all of the alerts after they happen. So now let's review the session. We open right here, 513.52, a little bit cut off. I'm going to say this again, going to keep saying it. You do not have to trade the open session. The open session is extremely volatile. It goes both ways. Typically, there's a move and then there's a swing. And that's exactly what happened today, right? So we open and then we just come down one strike. That's not even a full dollar. I'm going to make this a little smaller. So not even a full dollar down, and you're getting the bears coming in. You don't want to chase this. Never chase the first move. Look for the reversal. And that's exactly what happens, right? Because we go, hit 513, and then, you know, we bounce basically straight up to 516. 3-strike move, high volume. If you're trading this, right, and again, don't have to, right? This is what you want. Bulls right here. We're bouncing, we're moving higher. You know, we can trade these, but once we get up to 516, you have to know you are late. You are late. You need price to keep going up if you're going to make any money at all. And it turns out this time you did not. So looking at the bear right here, this is a bear about 2.5, 3 up from the blue. And this is an awesome trade. Why? Because you're getting, full strike and a half in no time at all. 10:40 to 11:15. There's a bounce, it goes down, and then it chops. Someone asked me today, what is the best strategy when price is chopping? When we're doing the ping pong, bing bong, and this time we are doing it from like 11:30 to 1300-ish, right at the blue line, right? We're never touching 513. We're never going up to 514. The best strategy is not trading. Don't trade it. Just wait. And if you waited, right, you're patient. We got a major nuke, and this is a perfect, absolutely amazing option alert. That's what the guy's making money off of today. Why is this great? One, you just had a big move, and you get 3 at one time. So we see this a lot, right? We see this a lot. Sometimes on high volume, you get absolutely killed here. And like, that's okay. You lose 10 or 20% because when you do take it and you win, you're going to win massively. And that's what happened today because you're getting 100%. I just put 100%, 10 minutes. Okay? And this is the perfect tag part, right? Because what happens next? We get another bear, and then that entire move up goes back down. And if you're really a gangster, you're just switching. You switched here. Oh my gosh. And then look what happens. You go back up. Another perfect tag. Oh my gosh. Look at this bear. Oh my gosh. We come back down. Okay. It doesn't go that far, but look. We go back down to 513 and you go back up. That is what I'm talking about when we say price action can be perfect tags. Typically, when we get volume like this, we get a trend day. We did not get a trend day today. That's okay. You kind of have to watch the price action. Obviously, you can ask anyone in Discord. It's like, hey, we're not ripping in one direction or the other. It's just extremely violent. But what you'll notice is when we go down low, the bulls come in, or when we get too high, the bears come in. And sometimes Wall Street does that. And that's what they did today. And if you followed the strategy, you made money. I mean, what's better than that? If you took bulls below the blue line the entire session, right? The blue line's right here. Bulls below the blue the entire session, you made money. Even if you just held it. Bears above the blue, not as great, but you still were able to get out with some. That's rigged. That's Wall Street doing what they do best. We were super low, CPI super high, everything's expensive. Joe Biden's telling Jay Powell, you got to lower rates or something. Everyone expects either a violent reaction to the upside or the downside. And what does Wall Street do? Kill both sides. But when you're watching it using rigged, the tags are clean. You get too high and the bears come in. You get too low and the bulls come in. Wall Street did exactly what they wanted to do. And if you're looking at the alerts, right? And like this is so important. This is like, you got to realize if you're late or not, okay? So if we're looking, right? Let's say we're taking this trade, okay? We're under the blue line still. You have to know that right here, you are late. It just moved up $3 in 10 minutes. You are late. You're trading this one here, right? Oh my gosh, we just came down $3. You are late. If you're trading this here, you're not late-ish, but you're definitely not early. So like constantly thinking about it that way. Like see the alert come in, look at the strategy. Are you early or are you late? If you can do that and not trade when it's just ping pong, bing bong and nothing's happening, you can crush it. Shout out to everyone who did it today. And guess what? Tomorrow's Thursday and the market's open again and we're going to be back, baby. Come join us at Rig Day I, $20 for 20 days. One trade pays for the trial. One trade pays for the membership. $99 a month. Copy trading Wall Street. What's better than that? Nothing's better than that.